Jolly Belly, kedukan ke bapila ban yolut iki jingdon kam ki baman la kasni ki jongpi, badi ki marba mardi hakador ke baduna. Laru ban yo iki jhur ki jhep ki so ki pai, badi ki jaj do ba pher ya ki balawan ra na keleng ke rilom khasi. Kat ba pinang thir iki jingdon kam ki jongpi, pilaru ban e shipor ki khunrit ki jongpi, hakajakai le kai ke balabu kerpang na ke benta jongki. One room shagadukan Jolly Belly, but me da ka jinkmen. Ya ki jingtep ki bakam nya laban yo da ka bapon hau number nyo not san nriu pra san nyo but kndai pra nriu lai not lai nriu. Minister, Community and Rural Development Hamletson Darling had inaugurated the SHG Mega Event cum Health Camp organized by the Community and Rural Development Block Bhoirambong at the Bhoirambong grounds on the 10th of December 2021. Dignitaries present included MLA of Umroi George B. Lingdo, Transport and PWD Buildings Minister Dasakiat Lamare, Ribhoi Deputy Commissioner RM Kurba, Block Development Officer of the CNRD Block Bhoirambong, Dr. CJK Wardri, besides others. Speaking during the event, Hamletson Darling announced that an amount of rupees 100 crores had been sanctioned for self-help groups in the state and added that in 2018 itself, about 319 groups had availed of a total of rupees 2 crores as loan. However, in the past 4 years, the number of self-help groups had grown to 8,730, who were also able to receive a total loan amount of rupees 900 crores from the government, the minister added.
Shispa crore lala ban plai tam ha kine ki sausnam ki balale. Hausnam harja ka pra ladon tangamba lahaja ka khandaitli SG Kibayo ia ke loan ke bekot arkro dan banbiang hak siam arja ka pura harus sama arja ka pura tang lain sebab ke kendai di SG ke yo iki bang loan ke bekot arkro henrei ni su ke men mai tu pi manta pada hari ki saus nem bamanta ladon hadu prajar nyospa lai potli SG kibayo ia ke bang loan ke bekot ado ke bak dai ko kror tengka kepisah kepala buun kepala keleng benda jong kene kesiat demi kepisah kepala buun kepala syakir SG bagi skam kene karena kepala nai dekini kenong kita ki mau bersih kenong ki belum nam ta ki semet nam ta grup tubi baru belum banyak kit banyak balang nam ta ki amlang salang.
On the same day, the CNRD minister also laid the foundation stone of a new building of the block at Bhoirambong. He also announced the construction of a traditional market in the area, which has been sanctioned for an amount of rupees 5 crores.
So amazing how this world was made. I wonder if God is a woman.
Here we have, ladies and gentlemen, the showstopper, our very own Block Development Officer, Dr. CJK Wardri, along with the designer, Kong Yaisha Mumbai. Our showstopper, ladies and gentlemen. Bisa kejuti ke baik pang ke jangan dia. Kubeli sebon sa